your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. Itiski Times.co.za. Orlando Pirates 0, MC Alger 0. Got again on aggregate is Orlando Pirates 1, MC Alger 0. Orlando Pirates are through to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League for the first time, Mr. So since 2013. The CAF Champions League. It's been more than how many years? 12 years? Yeah. It is a big moment for Orlando Pirates, but before starting, let's say congratulations to all the South African teams. Stellenbosch, we just heard Guti Babete is Zamalek. Kokwayo. Yeah. Remember last week where is Zamalek players, they were all celebrating thing, okay, we're going to Egypt, we're going to finish it, not knowing what was coming for them. Yesterday we saw also in Tunisia, Mamelodi Sundowns progressing now to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. Last set up no DNA, just South African. So we are through. Mr. So-and-so, Manduk Bulisa, you were also a semi-finalist in 2006, man.
Yeah. Ngasuphupha ngecawe.
Mr. So-and-so.
Ngibulise wena mfethu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise Mr. Nkeu, ngibulise Chairman, ngibulise lapho Bobo Khaduso, Lindo Mkwena. Ngibulise nanemakhaya, ngicela support njalo iTSK TV izwe. Benje binjalo ngijike futhi. Hawo. Ezimnyama ngenkani. Shane. You know, iyayiphinda futhi lento uzoyisho la. Ngeke ngayisho ngibona ngathi akekho umuntu onginakayo ngalento engizoyisho. You know, God has been good to us South Africans. I'm telling you. And it is the second time it's happening that God has been good to us South Africans. And is showing us now this year. Before Zongena came in, our under 17s.
Yeah.
Bafana they are leading. Lapha kuloko. Pirates hlapha enkulu madoda. Ezimnyama ngenkazi akhephulumuza ngamasipalaza wenziwayo. Ziku semi final. Imnwana phezulu. Iku semi final.
Yeah.
Stele.
Yes sir. Esgaruphet.
Mamela mfethu. Mina ngazi ukuthi mase sithi kahle la eSouth Africa we don't appreciate ourselves esuke sifuna ini. Athingeke egaming ke manje.
Get him, Mr. So.
Shane, it was not a nice game, to be honest.
Yeah.
Not a nice game. And, you know, I was saying, Gulindo, there's a norm, meaning a normal thing. Yeah. There's a moment.
Okay.
And it seems like, noma mhlambe isilungu isihlula mina, noma mhlambe abantu abangasitholi kahle lesilungu.
Yeah.
A norm is something that you'll normally do it. You'll do it over and over again.
Yeah.
A moment is because of that moment, those minutes, those couple of seconds.
Yeah.
That's the moment. Why I'm saying this, Shane, is because I think our coach, which was there, yes, he did well. Same formation against Sundowns. It was that moment. I believe it was that moment. Oguti, in this moment, it is what we need. And then we deal with it, we're done, finished, the deal.
Sure.
But now I see, Oguti man, hi man, in these big games, engati, sekayenza inorm. I say moment, because we went away. Yes, we won 1-0.
Yeah.
But again, when you look at how we were playing, I'm not happy. That's not the Pirates that we all know. Again, we are at home tonight. We are at home. Sekhaya, wonke umuntu usekhaya ngisho nabogogo basibhekile abomkhulu bonke namadlozi wethu asibhekile. We are still defending ekhaya. So, yeah, I don't know. I've got that problem. But, yeah, well done to the team. I mean, some will argue ukuthi dala sacela ufika kule stage lesi. So, why can't we celebrate? You know, yes, I mean, I said this, I want to see Pirates go final. I want to see Sundowns go final. Then I'll decide which one will win again.
Mr. So, yes, the Funuza Glenda by performance. As we saw even during when the Pirates were playing a preliminary round leading to group stages.
Yes.
They were playing entertaining football, exciting football.
Yes.
Even so, again, I mean, group stages, we saw how they played.
Yeah.
Went to Al Ali, won, playing superb football. But now, knockouts, we saw a couple of weeks ago when the first leg,
Yes.
we saw when he deployed like 3 centre backs, of which is the formation of Jose Waidlala when he joined Orlando Pirates in 2022.
Yeah.
Now it has taken him over the first line, of which is the quarterfinals. He's now through to the semi-finals. Don't you think so, Guti? ICAF Champions League, in order to progress to Bege Pambili, you need to know how to play in phases, because there are moments where a beautiful football will not get you anywhere. And I'm not talking in those guys, Yosubabin. We saw what happened last season. Esperance, Sundowns, who was playing the most beautiful football between the two,
Yeah, I agree with you, Shane.
and who progressed.
I agree with you, Shane.
Yeah,
But you know, one thing I would say now, Shane. Asingadli ngoba sifuna ukudla nje noma kutaste kabi we just want to eat. Izosihlupha lento in the future. Ukuthi as long as ngisuthi mina it's okay.
yeah. Yes, Mr. So I do get you. Yabona, if this is how Orlando Pirates started in group stages,
Yeah.
and now they are still playing the same way, I will also agree with you. But if they play the group stages differently, now they're playing in knockout stages differently. You must also remember one thing. So I will always make reference to Sundowns because they've been a team that has been showing us in Lela for the past few seasons.
Yes.
You saw how Sundowns has been playing in CAF Champions League. At some point, they were knocked out by this team from Angola, Petro de Luanda,
yes.
playing beautiful football. But this season, it seems like Sundowns have changed in Lela Yodlala and how they are approaching these games. It's very rare when Sundowns winner go 1-0, go away and play a draw, and 0-0 and progress. We know Sundowns is this team that will beat the Al Ahly 5-1 or even 5-0 at Loftus. Go to Tunisia, in Egypt, they will still dominate. But when it matters the most, I'm not saying Orlando Pirates will get through the line, but I'm saying, don't you think we need, not as South Africans, to learn how to play CAF Champions League?
Shane, let me take you back. We've got the coach like South Africa that played beautiful football and won the Champions League.
Yeah, Peter Musamman.
So that logo is so good. We can do it.
Yeah.
We can do it. But now it's worrying me. If mangabe all of us we are happy when we eating food, ipapele ngenatswai, elenga taste, uta is looking so clean. We are happy. Well, I can't develop anywhere anything like Zibele papa lelo. So that's the one when we go forward in life, tomorrow is still a day. What a shame. And that's why I'm so worried. I understand, Shane, when you need to change some tactics because of the local stage.
Sure.
I do understand. But you don't change your philosophy. Don't change. Yazi akube yini Shane? Akube yi plan a concert. This is a concert for today.
Sure.
Unga plan ulethi plan a concert for the whole year. That's what is happening now in this game. That's why I'm worried ukuthi our football in CAF Champions League.
Sure.
The reason why we don't earn the respect in Africa in the Champions League is the type of football that these teams are showing. You can't defend home and away. Okay, why are you here? Why are you playing this game? Because you need to entertain the people. The people they want to be entertained by football that you guys want to display there. And again, not that there's no good players. These teams have shown. Alger, they've shown. That number 21 with Titan Club. Wow. The whole team, they play. But you could see in their mind is that even if you can knock the ball, but you still have to go wide. So it's not an entertaining football because now it means this go wide, maybe go cross. And we always call that football that's an English football.
Yeah.
So, Shady, I'm saying to Pirates, Pirates, they've got players, they've got a good attack that can destroy anyone. Bega can hit anyone now. But now, Coach Odengati, Angaznoma Utugile, or now he's protecting himself to say, you know what, at least in Habile away, I got a goal and then now I'll defend and then I'll go through. Let's wait for semi-finale. But yeah, well done with him.
Yeah, we'll wait for semi-finals. Lapho bazodlala khona ne-Pyramids. Pyramids nabo are through to the semi-finals. Now they will meet Orlando Pirates. Then kwenye game next week, it's Sundowns up against Al Ahly. As the game got is khawulezile, so ingathi Bendlini loba mhlambi semi-finals odlala mhlambi next month, but no, next week Sundowns will be taking on Al Ahly. Then next week still Pyramids will be taking on Orlando Pirates. But namhlanje it's Orlando Pirates who are through to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. Congratulations to them, and thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.